months ago in Lahore. I've heard very little response. I saw a little paragraph on Tehreek-e-Insaf website. I would like your response to be in English, and it says that we normally condemn it. But if your party was in power, what do you plan to do to repeal the 1974
Tehreek-e-Insaf stands for justice. Justice is for all human beings. In Quran, Allah is Rabbul Alameen for all human beings. He is the God for all human beings. And when you talk about justice, it means protecting the weak from the powerful. That's what we stand for. And my guarantee is that in Tehreek-e-Insaf, there will never ever be injustice to anyone.
So you plan on repealing the law,
whether it's the belief system or anything.
1974 that labels
any law,
Muslims as non-Muslims?
Any law that discriminates between human beings is unjust.
So you plan on repealing it?
Inshallah, Tehreek-e-Insaf will bring justice and protect everyone.
Thank you very much.
And Tehreek-e-Insaf is the one which will protect.
We will protect the weak.
Thank you.